Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Spanish Town and we are going to give you a tour of a new CNG plant built out here. Now Jamaica is moving towards CNG buses and they have over 200 in the fleet already. But what happened is only the Portmore depot had the facility to fuel these CNG buses. And that created a problem because the other depots needed the CNG buses because they are much cheaper to operate. Just to give you an example, it would cost $60,000 to fuel a diesel bus, but $20,000 to fuel a CNG bus, and they could operate the same distance. So CNG is definitely the way of the future. So they decided to build a CNG plant out here in Spanish Town. And this is a massive facility. As you can see, it's built for the buses. And there is one of the JUTC buses over there. The CNG facility at the Portmore Depot was actually built on the compound, the JUTC Portmore compound. This one is built across the road. So we're going to give you an update on what's happening here. At the busy edge of Spanish Town, where hundreds of buses roll out each morning like steel wing couriers, a quiet transformation is taking place. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company is building a modern compressed natural gas CNG plant at its Spanish Town depot, a step that signals a new chapter in Jamaica's public transport story. The project is part of a national shift towards cleaner, more efficient energy, an upgrade meant to trim fuel costs, strengthen operations, and reduce the environmental footprint of the island's largest bus fleet. The Spanish Town Depot has long been one of JUTC's most important hubs, serving as a home base for maintenance, fueling, and dispatch. For years, it relied heavily on diesel, a costly and sometimes unpredictable fuel source. Reports of losses, fuel waste, and rising expenses pushed the government to rethink how buses are powered. Compressed natural gas emerged as one of the most practical solutions, cleaner than diesel, easier on engines, and significantly cheaper to operate. The construction of the new CNG facility is designed to change the daily rhythm of the depot. The plant will allow buses to refuel on-site, eliminating the need to route vehicles to Portmore or other locations. It is built to handle more than 200 buses per day, supporting a new fleet of CNG-powered buses already delivered to Jamaica. These modern units provide lower operating costs and smoother performance, creating a more predictable and sustainable transport system for the commuting public. Beyond saving money, the Spanish Town plant also represents a commitment to modernization. It helps Jamaica move closer to global trends where public transport fleets cut emissions and embrace cleaner technologies. In many ways, the CNG plant at the Spanish Town Depot is more than a fueling site. It is a symbol of Jamaica's determination to upgrade its infrastructure, conserve resources, and build a transport network ready for the future. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.